Hello everyone, Nasir here again. In this video I'm going to talk about the US dollar. In particular, I'll be referring to the DXY dollar index. So what a drop we had on the DXY. Honestly speaking, I didn't expect it to fall that badly, and I think there's a lot of traders out there who probably agree the dollar was not expected to fall that badly, especially on this day, on the 3rd of February. We saw dollar getting hammered, and honestly speaking, I just didn't expect it that badly. Nonetheless, I think we sort of bottomed out. What we had yesterday with the US CPI news was the dollar getting hammered, but actually was a retest of that level, and that retest obviously just rejected that level, so that's a good sign actually. And then dollar climbed right back up. I like that because obviously with that we've got some MACD divergence as well, which I don't usually talk about much because I personally don't feel divergences are highly reliable. But if I look at the 4 hours, we see a lot of bull power coming in, which I do like. It does help reinforcing my analysis in terms of expecting it to go up. So all in all, I think we're looking at DXY heading back up to around the 97.5 level, if not possibly higher, with interest rate expected to be hiking come March and onwards. We could see the US dollar potentially going higher and higher, unless things change in the market, of course. But again, I don't like to sort of look too far ahead, only as far as I can see. When it comes to around 97.5, I look to analyze again and see what it looks like it might do. In the past, I did give some analysis where I was expecting the US dollar to come as low as around 93, possibly down to 91, and I think that can be invalidated now. I think where was it? Somewhere, I think it was somewhere around here, and then obviously dollar started to strengthen again. So yeah, that's probably invalid now, and I think the situation has probably changed for the dollar at the moment, given the outlook by the Fed and all the interest rate hikes they're expected to do. So let's long the dollar for now, right back up to 97.5 on the DXY index, and thereon we'll reassess and see what to do next.
So if this is your first time following my analysis, I highly recommend you do not trade based on my analysis. Please do follow this analysis and see how it works out. At the end of the day, I cannot be correct every time I do an analysis. My accuracy rate is pretty high, but again, just as with any trader, any analyst, you can't be correct all the time. There will be some times when you are actually wrong. So what I would highly recommend is you follow my analysis, get a feel for how I do things, and get a feel for my accuracy. Look at my past analysis, look at my previous videos, look at my blog, and make your own judgments. Hopefully you will see that I'm pretty accurate and I could really help you out on your trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.